What is it?
If we never get
Oh, that's right. If we never get together again, please forgive me for all of these fools out there. See, if you can't remember me when I was listening to my better angel, just see if you can remember me when I was listening. It's like a force of nature is coming over me. I can't keep myself from moving. Can't keep from moving. It's like a force of nature. It's like a force of nature. May your hopes always outweigh your doubts, till this whole world finally punches you out. May you always play your music loud enough to wake up all of your neighbors. Or may you play just loud enough to always wake yourself up. It's like a force of nature. It's coming over me, but I can't keep myself from moving. I can't keep from moving. It's like a force of nature. Like a force of nature. Like a force of nature. And I was I'm genuinely inspired and moved by the songs I heard today. I'm looking forward to playing more for everybody later. And I didn't know what to expect coming here, but I really had a good time. I needed to come up here and do this with y'all. So thanks, and hopefully we'll do it again next year.